I'm Shada.
And I'm Nick.
When we met, we knew we had to share our love for thrifting. We hunt for treasures all around California Bay Area.
The stranger the location, the better the finds.
We hope to inspire you to go out and find your own treasures.
Come join us as we find the obscure, the cute, the useful, the weird, and sometimes a hidden treasure.
From thrift stores to garage sales to secret hidden stashes, come see what we uncover on this episode of Thrift Cats. Hi guys.
Hello.
Hey. This week we are bringing you the dollhouse.
Yeah, we mentioned it before. The decrepit, seen better days dollhouse that we found pretty much in this condition.
Yeah, it was outside at the San Pablo flea market, sitting there for whoever knows how long. And then before that, it came probably from somebody's garage or basement or attic or something. Yeah.
So it needs a little help. There's a few things that have fully come away. So we're gonna tighten it up here and there. Obviously, some of this bent, desiccated wood is just gonna have to stay the way it is, but we'll make sure it's solid. Maybe fill in some of the bigger cracks through the middle of the wood, and maybe give it some fresh paint, some new wallpaper. And as you can see, we're already collecting doodads we find to furnish it as we thrift.
Yeah, I've been doing some research online, and there's some really cool Etsy shops that have amazing vintage dollhouse wallpaper. So I have some eyes on some really colorful, fun doll wallpaper. Doll wallpaper. It's a new word.
It's a doll paper.
It's a doll paper word.
If we get fancy with it, I might try to rig in some low voltage lights so we have a little light fixture for every room. We'll see. That might be fun.
Yeah. I kind of want to keep, I like how we have like the natural kind of, decay of the house in there. And I like it because, it looks haunty and spooky.
Yeah, we don't want to take the charm out of it.
Yeah,
just keep it solid.
Keep it very just raw, but still like add the pops of color and bring in, kind of, fun, like vintagey, spooky feeling to it, and some texture. I want to add texture. And yeah, I mean, it's, it looks like it had, this little like garage, or it could be like a corral for little horses and cows, so might get some little like barnyard animals. And we have to repair the stairs. It has a cool door,
hinge doors
with hinges,
metal hinges,
and then a bathroom. I can't get to the front.
Yeah, there's way back there's another little hinge door that I think would make a good water closet, and maybe get a light in there would be cool.
Yeah, and it's cool because it has, it's weird because it has stairs, right? Stairs, you can get to the second floor, walk. But then there's like no stairs to go to the attic. But you can come behind it, and we'll show you the backside of it when we're doing the restoration for you guys. But you can access the whole back. Hi!
Yeah, there was a hinged flap here. Maybe we'll fix that back up. So that has the flap.
Yeah, we're hoping that, just maybe, like figuring out a way to get the wood a little bit more palatable, and maybe just like use some clamps there and use filler just to fill in the cracks. And I found these really cool little vintage doll pieces at a garage sale.
Little gumball machine.
Gumball machine, so cute.
Little gumballs in it.
And
little doll furniture,
a little rocking horse. I don't know. We're not We're doing self-camera stuff, so it's cute.
Trust us, it's
yeah,
cute.
trust us. We'll show you better. Little dog.
Yeah, the dog's perfect.
Little
right, for
creepy
the family.
baby.
Creepy baby. And then
Little truck. And then Nick got me these for my birthday.
They're German little bendy
yeah,
vintage.
They're German vintage dolls, and they have like wires in them with
little bendy
like
cloth
little
legs.
cool cloth legs. She can like kick her face. She can do yoga.
Looks painful.
She's a really great yogi.
She's having a relaxing drink.
Yeah.
Gymnastic.
And this cute little picnic
set.
table is so cute. With these little like champagne, like wine flutes.
Those are really nice, really detailed.
Candelabra.
Really fantastic there. But yeah, this is gonna.
Yeah. Oh, and my geisha.
The geisha doll.
Yeah, found the little geisha.
She can visit.
Yeah, she's like a little visitor. I don't know. I really like her. She doesn't really go with it, but I like adding it. And then I found these funny little grumpy bunnies. They're like, what did you name? Oh, Bobby.
What? Oh,
they were named. Remember Bobby? Brett.
Oh, that's right on the bottom.
Yeah. Oh, and Bobby. So there's twins, twin Bobbies, and Brett. He's all over here because he's friends. But yeah. So
yeah. This will be a work in progress.
Mm-hmm.
It's funny because it looks like it was just made out of thin air. Like this wasn't a pattern. Someone just sketched some stuff out and cut the wood.
Yeah.
I think it's like if there's a dollhouse scale, I don't think this is exactly it because it's a very strange size compared to any standard dollhouse stuff. But that just makes it more charming.
Yeah.
We like it.
Yeah. So time to upcycle. Take something old and love it again. I'm sure it was loved before.
Especially since someone handmade it.
Yeah, it's so cute, and so much love was put into it, and we're gonna have an adventure and see what we can come up with it, and we will keep you guys posted in all of the repairs we do. We'll do it live.
Yeah, we'll film it as we fix it.
Yeah.
The roof originally was red. Do you think we should paint it red again?
Yeah. Do you guys have any input on what you would like to see us do with it? There's also this like empty section, so there's a whole wall. So we were thinking we could either do some sort of like open. What do you call the doors? Like the
like barn doors?
Not barn doors. The kind that just like open out. Like I forget. I don't know my own house, so that's why
doors.
I got a dollhouse. We live in California, and it's really hard to buy a house here.
Yeah, this is the closest.
This is the closest thing that we're getting for
fixer-upper.
right now. We bought a fixer-upper.
Okay, well we're gonna get fixer-uppering.
Okay. Until next week.
See you guys.
Okay. Ciao, ciao.
This is a house for dolls.
A house for dolls. We're using our inside voices.
This is a house made with dolls in mind.